Okay, can someone explain to me why does every 4th of July decoration look pretty much the same? I got bored with them. So this year, I decided to make my own. I want to host a small 4th of July picnic with some friends, and instead of using generic decor, I want to create a few handmade pieces that are fun and ones I'll actually use after the holiday. And trust me, once you see these, you'll want to do the same. The first project is a custom cutlery holder. I'm going to create a simple design on this jar that will hold the utensils for our picnic. We'll use the Respark Customizer pen for this project. It's got everything you need to get started, instructions that tell you what works best for specific materials, the pen, and all the bits, and even stencils too. Now, I want to make something festive that doesn't scream holiday decor, so I'm going to engrave some cute stars to celebrate the 4th of July using the Respark stencil kit. A quick tip, you want to let the tool do the work for you instead of forcing it. I also like to turn the object I'm engraving to make it easier to draw lines. Once the stencils are done, you can go back in and clean up your work. Here's the final result, a cute sprinkling of stars to celebrate the holiday. The second project is a custom enamel mug. I'm going to use Respark's camping mug kit to create personalized details for our picnic. The kit comes with 2 mugs, stencils, practice material, a marker, and tape to keep the stencil in place. Let's not forget to check the manual for the right speed and bit. For this design, I've used my own chalk pencil and sketched the phrase, "Sweet Summer." Remember, slow and steady wins the race. I decided to start with a bigger ball bit this time and carried over another star to tie in all of our designs. You'll also want to use a small brush every once in a while to dust off the material so you can check your designs. And here's the mug in all of its summertime glory. It's perfect for a picnic. The final picnic project is the Respark Leather Tote Bag, something cute, functional, and wearable to carry all the snacks that I can't fit in my picnic basket. I never thought in a million years I'd make my own real leather bag, but this is absolutely a must-do project. Just measure out the thread, follow the instructions, and put it together piece by piece. To take things up a notch and add a more 4th of July feel, I'm going to paint one of the Respark leather heart charms I made a while back. Nothing overly patriotic, just classic summertime vibes. I'm going to use leather paint for this project. You'll want to do a few passes of paint to make sure it's opaque, and when adding color, be sure there's a layer of white underneath so the color really pops. And now that the bag is all done, we can fill it with the goodies we're taking to the picnic. Like any good host, I want to test out how this all looks and comes together before the holiday weekend. And I'm not going to lie, this is more than what I was hoping for. Something simple, festive, and 4th of July feeling while keeping that warm, handmade, and personal touch. The best part, everything here is something I can keep using all summer long. So tell me, which of these projects would you do first? And what other ideas do you have in mind for the 4th of July? Let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to try any of these, check out Respark's kits and tools linked below. And be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.